Hello great people, welcome to Financial Port Channel. On Financial Port Channel, we talk about money, business, investment. I am Israel Paul, a professional member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants, and I am here to give you financial information and advice as regards money, business, and investment. And today, we want to talk about, I actually wrote down a lot of stuff for you, and I'm so glad you are joining us. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers. On this YouTube channel, we've done close to 180 something videos on money, business, investment, from real estate, from e-commerce, importation, exportation, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, name a few, just to name a few. So please hit the subscribe button. So today we want to talk about how you can invest in real estate even if you don't have a lot of money. When I started in real estate investment at 23 years old, in fact, I never knew that year I'm going to start real estate investment. And that's the beauty of it. You know, a lot of people used to think you have to look forward for, let's say, 1 million, 5 million, 10 million, 30 million to start your real estate investment. You don't really need so much money to start. But before we go in, I want to talk about the beauty of real estate investment. When you see the economy now, you look at the stock market, it's very volatile. You look at other lines of business, you look at jobs, they are no longer secure. You look at some businesses which are eroded because of the lockdown. Now the ease of lockdown is coming to place. A lot of investments are beginning now. So, but if you look at all these things, chances are that to even the e-commerce business, even the online business, even the importation business, exportation business, at some point in time, they were on hold, they were on pause. Even the importation business were not really favoring some of the final consumer because prices of goods was high due to the dollar and the exchange rates. You all know all this. So in the midst of all these things, I've checked it and I've seen that the major investment that you can do in this current economy now, the surest investment, the surest business that you can venture into in this period is real estate investment, whether you are investing in real estate or in landed property. Now, if you invest in land property and you just go and sleep, I was talking to some of my colleagues, professional colleagues, yesterday evening. I told them that if you get a piece of the earth and you invest in it and you go and sleep, just come back after 1 year or 2 years and you see your property appreciate in value. This is the surest business. This is the surest investment that you can do, and your property, your capital would appreciate without work. Now, if you go further and you put a building in the land, which I would encourage you, take for instance, you get a property in some, I'm going to be talking about areas where you could get properties. Let's just take some instance. For instance, you get a property worth 500,000 naira or 2 million naira and you build a house. And one of the things about the real estate organization is when you are buying a completed building, the prices are so much. You hear 3-bedroom flat, 50 million, 35 million, with as little as 7 million or 6 million to 5 million, you can do a 3-bedroom flat. Yes, in Nigeria. So, but without going deeply into that, I'm just trying to let you know the real estate investment or landed property that you get is one of the surest investments that you can do now to make your money grow, to make money. So I will start about how I started real estate investment. And when we started, I used to one of my company business line is e-commerce business. So we used to invest in buying and selling online, and in that period of the Black Friday, we had a lot of sales. You used to hear Black Friday. If you want to learn more about that, some of the videos that I did recently is on Black Friday business, how you can take advantage of the Black Friday. We took advantage of the Black Friday that year, 2017, and when it was 2018, we had a lot of cash at our disposal. We were so liquid. When you say liquid, when a company or a business is liquid, means there is a lot of money available. There's a lot of cash. There's a lot of asset that can quickly be converted into cash. So those assets that we had, those stock, those inventory, was converted into cash during the embargo, during December. And by January, we had a lot of cash, and we just said, okay, let's just buy some properties, because then, as at then, I used to make jest of this. Okay, don't let me say that. That's more of a personal issue. So we invested in a land, and we bought a land, and from there we started building. And it is so funny how the price of that land from 400,000 naira moved to 1 million naira within the space of 8 months. And guess what? As I was building on that land, it's so funny, the investment we did on that land, on that building, it's over ×3 to ×4 now, and the duration is not up to 2 years. So if you think about, you don't really need, in fact, why did I share this story? I'm sharing this story because we never planned for it. And for you, if whether you're planning for it or you're not planning for it, for someone who never planned for real estate investment, venture into it, even though we have been praying about real estate investment and God provided the opportunity. So what about you that you have it in mind, so you can actually do this? You can actually do the real estate investment. And I'll be talking about, because I actually wrote down some stuff which I really want to break this down for you, where you can buy lands. Now you can buy land from the government, you can buy land from the family, and you can buy land from the the real estate company. Now if you buy land from the government, it's secured. They give you the old documentation, but it's very, very high in value. Now if you buy land from the family, somehow it's secured and somehow it's not secured. You have to do your due diligence. When you want to buy land in families, one of the things you can do is to buy land from a family which is not so, they don't have too much members there. I could remember when we were doing some building project, we had a lot of issues with the Omonile there, and it has to take us to the Bale of the vicinity. It was actually in Mowe place, Mowe axis, and I'll be talking about locations that you can get your real estate, you can start your real estate investment with as little as 500k. In fact, we have a package whereby we can synergize with you, and we see how your real estate investment can move further. So due to some experience we had to move to the Bale, settle some issues and the likes. Now you can get your landed property from the family, but sometimes it's good you go through the real estate company, because they have settled, they can transact with those people very well, and you get the land without also you pay your documentation and other fees, and you start building. Now if you want to go through the family, there are some things you need to checkmate before you start buying from the family. And if you want to kickstart your real estate investment, send me a message via, check the description button, just click that arrow key on the right or the left and check the description button. You will see our official line. Just message me on our official line, whichever amount you want to kickstart with. I'm going to guide you on step by step. You want to kickstart with 200 or 500,000 or 1 million or 2 million. We are going to bring you into the picture of our real estate company and how you can synergize with us and take advantage of your capital, of your cash now, so that it can multiply. Yesterday I was talking up with my friend. He's also a professional, and he talked about a land which they told him to buy, and that will move me into the location. When you are starting out your real estate investment, don't look at areas. I could remember, okay, let me first share this story. He said his auntie, they told her to buy this property, and this property as at 2010 was 80,000 naira. It is a landed property around Mowe side, Asheshe. 80,000 naira, and she was busy parabolating. She couldn't make a buying decision. And when it was 2016, she called the family guy and they told him that, how about the land you wanted to sell to me 6 years after? Guess what happened? The man said, we just sold the land 6 years after. And he said, why didn't you tell me? I had interest for some months ago. He said, we just sold the land a month ago. That was what the family member told this my friend's sister. And he said, how much do you sell it? I want to buy. He said, you can't pay. We sold it for 2.5 million 6 years ago to 80,000 naira. Most people overlook areas that are developing. Guess what happened? That land is close to the main road, and as soon as the government started the project of the Lagos to Mowe Road, linking to Redeem Camp and the likes, the place skyrocketed. The value moved up. And that is why I always make, one of my mentors used to say, even the American knew that there is money in the bush. That's why they make their president George Bush. So there is money in the bush. Get the land. If you have 300, if you have 500,000, 800,000, get the land. Within the next 2 years, the land will appreciate in value. And you'll be shocked how you'll be ranking in millions without working, without going to work, without going to... It's so amazing. So don't look at that. And how do you start your investment? It depends on your level. I broke down the level. You don't have cash, you don't have so much money, you have money, and you have a lot of money. You don't have cash, you don't have any money. Partner with real estate companies and begin to market for them for commission. My brother's friend earned over $1 million commission marketing for a real estate organization. If you want to be in the line of people who want to earn commission, message me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I have not mentioned this since. Come on, hit the subscribe button. We have a lot to teach you in real estate investment, so many things that can just help you generate more income. So please help us, like this video, hit the subscribe button so that we can get to 1,000 subscribers. So the next stage is, in case you don't have, you just have towards 300 to 500,000, there are levels of investment you can do. We are going to guide you through. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, message me in the number below to reach out to our real estate organization, Dream Homes and Suits. Now, if you have 5 million, we can guide you through the real estate investment. If you have 10 to 25 million, come on. If you are from abroad, you are a Nigerian in diaspora and you want to invest in real estate investment, you are good to team up with us, to synergize with us. You can come to our office here in Lagos, Ikeja area, and we're going to see how we can do what, put us together and help you reach out to your financial goal. I don't want this video to be so much. I'll be doing another video on real estate investment, so please hit the subscribe button. Okay, don't be angry, I'm just joking. So please hit the subscribe button. I am Israel Paul, professional member of the Institute of Chartered Accountant. On Financial Paul, we talk about money, business, investment. I'm so glad you joined us. So thank you. Please hit the subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Any information, any further information on real estate investment, message me in WhatsApp via the number below.